Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Apparently it's nearly Christmas, so we're going to go and check out the Christmas market.
We are.
Plural.
Yeah.
There's two. We're in Gloucester and there's two. A normal one and an alternative one. Let's go. Well, we've parked the car in a very secret spot where we don't pay for parking. And we're just wandering past one of the main landmarks of Gloucester. Here is Sula, the light ship, which is also a bed and breakfast if you want to stay there. And we're going to make our way up to what they call the Quays, Gloucester Quays, and check out the normal Christmas market. You intrigued yet? You should be. Just walking over to the main docks area behind us there. Coming up on Gloucester Quays. Let's go and have a look at this market, shall we? I'm well known for absolutely loving Christmas. I wish it could be Christmas every day. There's a song about that somewhere. Like every year, the ice rink gets put in for your entertainment, not for mine. I don't fancy spending Christmas with a broken leg, but I'm sure it'll be fun for some of you. It is a little early. We're going to walk around some of the stalls first, show you a bit of that. The weather's somewhat inclement, not exactly Christmassy, but we're going to make the most of it. Oh, wow. Massive pork pies, look. Black pudding, sausage roll, fantastic. Nice.
One of the girls was massive on it, and you knew, like. Carry on today.
Well, they're certainly not short of any options to eat. We've got a plan to eat a bit later. We'll show you that. But if you want a heavenly sausage or a happy dumpling, this is the place for you.
Yeah.
Treats that you were just counting down the days, going to see if they survive in the cupboard or the fridge until Christmas. This is George Michael and the December song.
Okay, cool. That's it, guys. No worries. Have a nice day. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, it is on there, so I'm gonna
Spotted Dick over here.
Everybody go.
I'm doing the best I can.
They have them all in.
Don't twist now.
tree that I'm actually taller than.
The tree that you're actually taller than?
Taller than a tree.
Yeah, it's hardly a tree. This is what you call a Kim-sized tree. Lots and lots of stalls, and you can buy anything you could ever want and lots of things you don't. You could even buy a Toyota for Christmas. Very good. Pickles. Pat Robbins. Crazy bastard sauce. Apple and cider pudding. Oof. Georgie Porgy. Hiya, can I have a full wheel, please? Because why not?
Presents, I'm tempted to get one of them.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh. Beautiful. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you. What's the name of it? Alvis. Right, so you Alvy?
No, not me.
Okay.
I just work for them.
What we got?
So I've got some of the butter chicken and some of the lamb keema.
Beautiful. We'll have a bang on that.
You'll like the lamb keema. It's got a bit of a kick to it.
Yeah.
It tastes really
Warm us all up.
good. Have you a spoon?
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. Ah, that wasn't very good stood there, was it? Oh wow. Oh my God. I mean, it's a bit early in the morning, but that is awesome. It really is. You're not getting any.
They look delicious and it smells amazing.
Oh my God. Have a try. Well, a huge shout out to Alvis there. Two lovely people just served us. Absolutely fantastic. That's our tea sorted out. We have a wheel of cheese from the cheese place and a tub of curry there. Lamb keema we went for. Absolutely beautiful. The taste was mwah, chef's kiss. Unreal. Big shout out to Alvis.
No.
Here's your bread to dip in our curry.
Ooh, cherry crumble bread. That's not good. And there's like
Bombs.
Best decoration on the market in Gloucester. £2.95 and £4.10. You can mix and match it.
What have we got, my friend?
So, big half kilo bags of the biltong. I've got a chili, does exactly what it says on the tin. She's a lovely
Chili beef.
Here's the traditional, made with black pepper and coriander. Smoky, it's like a barbecue flavour.
Yeah.
And I've also got a chili chutney, that's my personal favourite.
Wow, okay.
Sweet.
Yeah.
We've got a chili section and a non-chili section on the biltong, so more of that smoke, more of that lovely barbecue. This is the black pepper and coriander seed, the traditional. And then I've got a pepper. This peppered beef is our latest flavour, so it's just like the traditional with that lovely sort of flavoured pepper right at the end. Garlic lover. This one's absolutely gorgeous. We do a really lovely mango chutney, and that's all the non-spicy flavours. Then on the spicy side, sriracha, that's a garlic and chilli marinade. The marinade just helps keep the meat really lovely and moist. Honey chow, that's our take on a traditional Durban curry from back home.
Oh, okay.
Chili and a chili chutney. Again, that was my favourite. The marinade just helps keep the meat really nice and moist. That's all the beef slices. Then we do drobos. This is a beef and pork sausage, so there's a little bit of pork fat for added richness. 3 flavours, smoked barbecue, garlic piri piri, and then more of that lovely traditional, that black pepper coriander. These are $12.50 a bag, or you get a big half kilo for $25.
Quite like the sound of the chili chutney one. Yeah? Let's do one of them, I think, shall we? Let's do one of them.
Do a 200 gram bag, or for twice the price, you can get more than twice the weight. Over here for half kilo.
Yeah, give us a half kilo one, yeah.
Card is in the bag, okay?
Fantastic. I'll drop you a card in a sec. So big shout out to Bill Tom's Biltong.
Get the QR code.
Yeah, we will.
People can pause the YouTube video,
So
scan it. That's our link.
pause the video, scan the QR code, take you through.
If you come back tomorrow, you're going to meet Bill Tom himself. So
Okay, so today is Saturday. If you come back Sunday, he'll be here again. Right, brilliant. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Right, that's a bit more shopping done. Big shout out to Bill Tom's there. Very nice guy. We're going to try some of his biltong. High protein. Loving life. Get yourselves down to Gloucester Market. Get yourselves down to Gloucester Christmas Market. Check everybody out, all the stalls. They all need your support. You don't need to be going to big department stores. Get to places like this, spend a bit of money. It's worth it. You know, if you buy your marshmallows, you can toast them there. Very nice. A few people sat taking advantage of a bit of coffee. A few intrepid people. A few kiddies there. Jumped on the ice rink. Gonna get on the ice rink, Kim?
No, thank you. I spent Christmas in hospital.
Oh dear. That's a resounding no. It has got wetter, guys. But does it matter? No. It's only rain. Could do with some snow, that'd be more festive, but the rain will do. Despite the weather, everywhere is still pretty busy, which is good to see. Yeah, Twiggy Puds. There are hours and hours of fun going round and round in circles on an artificial ice rink. What is not to like? Right, well, we've done that market, the normal market, if you can call it a normal market. We've bought plenty of things. Cheese, curry,
Smelly things to put on your
smelly things to put on your radiator, whatever they are. But now we're going to head to the alternative Christmas market.
Oh.
Come on. So a very short walk from where we were, the market, which was just back around there along the canal. Talking 500 yards, if that, brings you out here, which is Llanthony Secunda Priory, very historic landmark here in Gloucester. There are a couple of videos on the channel if you want to learn a bit more about the history. I'll leave the link at the end. Anyway, we're going to have a look at what they've got here today, which is a supposed alternative Christmas market. Right, well, despite the weather now taking a turn for the worse, we're going to have a little walk around this alternative market. There's a few stalls here on the outside, as you can see. We're going to go and check out some of the bits on the inside. Oh wow.
And it's trying to get the jewellery through the plastic.
All right. This gentleman here has a store.
Xtopia clothing.
There we are. Tell us a little bit about you.
Sorry?
Tell us a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, so I design everything myself. If you like a design, it can go on any t-shirt, hoodie or sweatshirt. It's printed on demand, so there's no waste, and it'll be shipped to you in around a week.
Fantastic.
I'm offering free shipping here.
Where can people get hold of you? Do you have a website?
I certainly do. On xtopiaclothing.co.uk.
There we are. If you pause the video, you'll be able to scan that QR code, and I will put the link in the description, as always. That's another purchase made. Kim buying a nice t-shirt there. Don't forget to check out that website. I will drop the link down. I'll drop all the links as I can. Support all your local artisan traders. Well, it's really good to see a little bit of alternativeness going on here in Gloucester at this historic location, Llanthony Secunda Priory. We're going to just check out a few more of the stalls, and then we're going to grab ourselves something to eat from the very special Fabionis pizza, which is in the corner there, and we'll tell you a little bit more about them in a minute. Well, I think it's time to get something to eat, don't you? Where can we go?
I know.
Oh, there just happens to be a pizza van.
There it is.
What's special about that pizza van? It's Fabionis.
There it is.
Let's go and have a look. Right, just very, very quickly, one of these lovely looking chaps in Fabionis Pizza is mine and Kim's son. One of them isn't. But they're both equally as good looking. Fabionis, not just pizza. I will leave a link to their business in the description. Weddings, festivals, all sorts of events, corporate events. They'll come to your workplace and feed your workforce for you if you want. Check them out. All links in description as previously stated. And I'm not going to say it too loud because there's people about, but if you say Watto loves pizza when you walk up here, they'll knock a pound off. Take it from me. Wow. How was that? Well, it would be rude not to, wouldn't it? Oh, can you get in on that? Look at that. Oh my God. What's not to like? Fabionis, get on it. Right then, be good, all right? Take it easy. I'll see you next time. Ta-da. Oh man, my hands are cold. Right, let's head on off, shall we?